What if we could turn this desert into a forest, all without planting a single tree? Beneath this seemingly barren landscape, there's a huge underground forest that is ready and waiting to burst out.
It must be super complicated. That's it?
Yeah.
That's everything?
Yeah, just simple like this.
Okay, there's a little more going on than just cutting off a branch. Let's take a closer look at what's happening. When a tree grows, its main shoot releases a hormone called auxin that suppresses the growth of other shoots and buds to focus energy into one strong trunk. But when the tree is cut to a stump, the tree stops producing auxin, even though the roots stay alive underground. So now, dozens of shoots sprout at once, competing for resources and making it look like a bush. Essentially, this technique is about choosing one or two strong shoots and pruning away the rest, so the chosen sprout can quickly become a tree again. This growth happens much quicker than planting a tree because the root system is already established. And as more trees recover, their shade cools the ground, their roots hold the soil, and the moisture they release helps to form clouds and bring back rain, making the land far more productive for families to grow crops, feed livestock, and rebuild their livelihoods.
When you see the transformation, it will blow your mind.
How it starts? 1 year, 3 years, 5 years. That's huge.